Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to change a headlight on a Toyota Sienna. First, gather your tools, including a flathead screwdriver and a 10mm socket wrench. Always ensure your vehicle's engine is off and the parking brake is engaged for safety. Then, open the hood and locate the headlight assembly you plan to replace. This preparation ensures a smooth and safe replacement process. Now, let's remove the old headlight. You will find two 10mm bolts at the top of the headlight assembly. Carefully remove them. Once the bolts are out, gently pull the entire headlight assembly straight forward to release it from its lower mounting clips. Finally, disconnect the electrical connector by pressing the small tab and pulling it straight off the bulb. With the assembly out, it's time to replace the bulb. Twist the bulb socket counterclockwise approximately 1/4 turn to release it from the housing. Carefully pull the old bulb straight out. When handling the new bulb, avoid touching the glass with your bare hands, as oils can reduce its lifespan. Insert the new bulb firmly into the socket. To finish, reconnect the electrical connector to the new headlight assembly. Carefully slide the assembly back into its mounting clips, ensuring it seats properly. Reinstall the two 10mm bolts at the top, tightening them securely. Finally, turn on your vehicle and test the new headlight to confirm it is working correctly before closing the hood.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.